Hey, Kitch, you all right?
Oh, yeah. It was a close call, though.
Hey, Kitch, tell us what happened again.
Yeah, I want to hear this again.
Yeah, Kitch, you're a hero. Tell us again.
Oh, like I said, he came home, started cooking, and then he just fell asleep on the couch.
Fell asleep?
Yeah, laid right down on the couch and fell asleep.
That's right. I saw him.
What an idiot.
Quiet, hallway. Let him finish.
Yeah, quiet. Go ahead, Kitch. Well, then I saw it. The pan caught fire and it spread so fast up the cabinets.
What did you do?
Well, I started alarming. What do you think I did? I was beeping as loud as I could.
Hey guys, I was alarming too.
Yeah, that's right, living room. Shut up, hallway. This is Kitchen's story, not yours.
Yeah, quiet, hallway.
What happened then? Did he wake up?
After a while he did.
Were you scared?
I was getting worried. It was getting hard to see. The smoke was so thick. How does someone sleep through all of that beeping? He finally got up and saw his kitchen on fire. Man, that really woke him up real quick.
You think my beeping helped?
Quiet, hallway.
He was able to get up and out and call the fire department.
Kitch, you're a hero, man.
Yeah, you saved his life.
Way to go, Kitch.
Without you, he wouldn't have any time to get out.
Hey, I alarmed too. Don't you think I'm a hero too?
I was just doing my job. Let people know if there's a fire and give them time to get out of the house. That's all. I'm no hero.
Do you think they'll have to replace me too?
Let's hope.
Well, men, looks like my job here is done. Been an honor watching over this house with you. Carry on, gentlemen.
Hello, boys. Looks like I've got a front row seat.
How you doing?
What did he say?
Don't mind him. His battery's dead.
Hi, I'm Nicholas Clucker with the Collinsville Fire Department. I'm here today to talk about your smoke detectors and how they can save your life. Did you know that 3 out of 5 home fire deaths result from fires in homes with no smoke alarms or no working smoke alarms? The risk of dying in a home structure fire is cut over half with working smoke detectors. Also, smoke detector failures usually result from missing, disconnected, or dead batteries. This is why the Collinsville Fire Department implemented the Leave 'em Safe program. The goal of the Leave 'em Safe program is to assure that no one goes to bed without a working smoke detector. When the Collinsville Fire Department has an opportunity to visit a home, we take that opportunity to check your smoke detectors, whether it's a dead battery or a new detector. If you need assistance with your smoke detector or batteries, please contact the Collinsville Fire Department so we can leave you safe.